Hello everyone, welcome to our team kick-off meeting for Lemonade project. So today our presentation's agenda will be start from the Lemonade project introduction and project goal, the analysis of the project risk, the criteria of a successful online store, the criteria for selecting MVP, example of a selected MVP product, example of combining American culture's product, and our project plan structure. So let's start from the Lemonade project introduction. Lemonade project strives to develop products that can be used in restaurants to make people's life more easier. The project can be an individual brand to gain the company's market share. The products are unique and useful for customers. So our project's goal is transfer our products type to new business and expand our product scope, maximum our company's revenue, enhance company's reputation. So the analysis of project risk, like all the startup business, it starts from the assumptions. So for our Lemonade project, the assumption can be the new product change people's daily life, and people can accept the new product's value. So, and they also will come with the risk. Maybe there's no market, maybe there's no revenue. After 2 steps, we have to optimize the value for our project. We need to looking for ideal product, and we need to find a good factory to produce our products. So, what's the criteria of a successful online store? This page is a store's website page in Taobao, which is the biggest online shop website in China. This online store has already running 7 years, and the store sells home supplies product and can be used in daily life. So why I choose this online store? Because I believe that there are several reasons can be accounted into their success. First of all, they have 1,000 products which cover your home's each corner. The products including you can use before, and some you even didn't hear before. Second, their products are very designed products, easy shopping way, and the price are acceptable and affordable, but in a good quality. Third, the product updating very fast cycle to bring new experience to customers. So this is a process to optimize value for our business. Illustrate how we select our MVP product. It's a way to test market with less effort. We select our MVP products from 1,000 products online and they start our business in faster speed in order to test the market reaction and adjust our direction in short time in order to squeeze the cycle time and cost. So there are 4 criteria. The product can be designable because we search similar designable by ourselves, which means it can be transferred into another form of material. We search similar products as selling online. They are similar and no identified value. Second, the product has its function, not just for decoration. It has a way to find their target customer group, and the product can be sell itself. Third, the product has high sales value in market, which help us save time to do the market survey. Fourth, the product has a good customer reviews. So there has an example of our select MVP product, a toilet lifter. I believe that most of people never heard this toy before, as same as myself. The reason why we choose it because it's a new creative product, easy to bring outside for using when you are traveling. Besides this, the toilet lifter also has the potential to be redesigned. The top image reviews what is the sale value for this product, 1994 pieces for 1 month, and the customer review for this product also offer us enough information to evaluate the product. So besides this, it also very light. That means we can save shipping cost. Low price, changeable. But there is one more question, is will the product be accepted by the US customer? So this is a rough design idea that inspired by our team. We can see that the reason for this product can be selling very high value in China because the population and the convenience online shopping method. But it is hard to predict where it will be popular in the US. And one more consideration is the different culture will affect the people's behavior. So we decide to try to attract our customers' attention first by using celebrity face painting to obtain the market reaction. If the reaction is positive, we will develop the product continuously, which not only limited in painting change, they also will have more technology element added into the product, like adding the light into it, make you find the toilet position at night very quick. So here is our process to establish our project plan structure: build, measure, and learn, which helps our team to have a logical order and keep in improvement. At the initial stage, our goal is to complete several initial parts: product value, product quality, online survey like Amazon, Shopify, social media platform like Instagram, like Facebook, and after then check our accomplishment when the product has been put it online to sell. The standard there are several elements we need to measure: the customer's reaction, the product market, our product's revenue, our product's cost, our product's price. The standard is according to our customer reviews, so we can have a sense that if our product has the market in the US, what is the revenue for this product? How is our price? And the last thing is to learn from the measurement, to improve from each aspect. So here is our whole project plan structure. Thank you.